Hey friends, welcome to this channel. This video is about a very important topic, how to make a face mask. We'll show you the easiest way. You will need fabric, elastic, a sewing machine and an iron. Let's take the cotton fabric. It is advisable to take calico. The dimensions of all details you see in the video. Here you need to make stitching on a sewing machine. 0.7 cm should be retreated from the edge. We turn on the front side. At this point, iron the fabric. We begin to make creases about 3 cm wide. The total width of the mask is about 9 cm. Making stitching on the sides of the mask. Stitch and sew rectangular pieces of fabric to the mask. We wrap the elastic and make a line on the sewing machine. Adjust the elastic for yourself. The mask is ready. I hope the lesson was clear and you could make this mask. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments and we'll answer you within one day. It is not a simple video and not an ordinary case, so I want to tell you some important information about these face masks. First of all, you shouldn't wear it more than 2-3 hours. So you need to make a lot of these masks to change them often. You cannot change the sides of these masks during use. They may be viruses on outside. You can even make inner side and outside of this mask with different colors and different fabrics. The mask should be washed immediately after use. with high temperature and antibacterial cleaner. There are the basic rules that I know. If you know some more information about face masks, please comment it under this video. Let's help everyone who will watch this video. I really want that we won't need these masks very soon, and we will return to the hugs and communication. But now please make these masks for you and your family. Be positive and healthy.